Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the app and an account. Now optimize what people see first. Choose a memorable username and write a one-line bio that explains who you are and what you post. Add a profile photo that reads small and a contact email or button if you want messages. Once done, switch to a creator or business account to access insights and scheduling. This gives you data-driven decisions and unlocks features you'll use in the next steps. You're ready to craft your first post. Pick a high-resolution photo or a 9:16 vertical video and trim to the best moment. Use natural light and simple composition so your message reads fast. Explain why the content matters in the caption, include one clear call to action, and add 3 to 5 relevant hashtags to reach new viewers. Also tag collaborators, add location, and fill image alt text. These small steps increase discovery and accessibility, which boosts long-term engagement. You'll publish when your audience is active. Use insights to find peak times or schedule the post. Otherwise, save as a draft and revisit. Once live, monitor engagement for 24 to 72 hours, reply to comments to signal activity, and adjust future posts based on which formats and captions performed best. If something goes wrong, first check your internet connection, clear the app cache, and ensure Instagram is updated. If uploads still fail, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.